Hi, my name is Mark Siegel. I'm a retired judge here in St. Louis, Missouri, and I mediate through United States Arbitration and Mediation. I want to discuss the mediation process. Mediation is a process where a neutral person, called a mediator, helps people reach a settlement. First things first, when you come to our office, you'll be greeted by a member of our staff and seated in a room along with your attorney, spouse, and anyone else you bring with you for support. This will be your room during the mediation. The other side will have their own room. The mediator will come and introduce him or herself when you and your attorney are ready. Do not hesitate to ask a member of our staff for help at any time. Mediation may be scary for the first timer, as it is a different type of experience than most people are used to. You will not be cross-examined, questioned, or required to speak by the other side. However, you have the right to speak to the other side if you wish. Mediation is different than a trial. You and your attorney are the decision makers and not a judge or jury. Our mediators are neutral and do not have any decision-making authority. With very limited exceptions, all mediation communications are confidential and are not admissible at any court hearing. Your mediator will explain the entire mediation process at the beginning of the mediation. No one can predict how long the mediation will take. While the amount in a dispute, number of parties, and complexity of the dispute may extend the time, even relatively straightforward problems can take several hours. Please give the mediation process the time required to achieve a settlement. Depending on the preference of the participants, each party may remain in their room with the mediator carrying messages between the parties. Alternatively, there may be discussions with the other side directly in a joint session, or the mediator may utilize a combination of both methods. While all our mediators are retired judges or experienced lawyers, they are not your attorney and they do not give legal advice. This video is not intended to give you legal advice, but only meant to help inform you about the mediation experience. There is no substitute for the advice of your own attorney. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the mediation process. We're here to help and look forward to working with you.